Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele. Spacecraft Orbit AI state-of-the-art technologies, enablers of automated collision avoidance maneuvers, autonomous spacecraft operations, and orbital data centers. Spacecraft Orbit AI technologies, onboard software systems that utilize machine learning, neural networks, and automated decision-making algorithms to control its satellite's path, positioning, and orientation, instead of relying on human engineers at ground stations to calculate and upload commands, process navigation data locally in real time, to autonomously manage spacecraft orbit, optimize fuel usage, and execute automated collision avoidance maneuvers. Orbit AI industry is rapidly transitioning from conceptual research and development to active space deployment, made possible through state-of-the-art technologies, edge processing, and onboard computer infrastructure. Traditional satellites act as passive cameras that linking massive raw data files to ground stations, resulting in severe latency. Orbital AI enables edge computing directly on the satellite payload. Presently, there is an ongoing effort to develop and deploy AI applications technologies capable of processing imagery on orbit, allowing a satellite to identify an event and instantly command neighboring satellites to focus on it without waiting for ground intervention. The focus points are as follows: significance and importance of spacecraft orbit AI technologies and spacecraft orbit AI state-of-the-art technologies. Significance of importance and importance of spacecraft orbit AI technologies. Artificial intelligence is rapidly shifting from ground-based operations directly into Earth's orbit, transforming how spacecraft process data, navigate, and manage missions. Rather than relying entirely on sending raw data to Earth for analysis, a process throttled by limited bandwidth and high latency, modern spacecraft leverage on orbit AI to make real-time decisions. Spatial data concept is illustrated in this picture. Examples of the significance and importance of spacecraft orbit AI technologies are space traffic management and collision avoidance, autonomous altitude and position control, trajectory and resource optimization, and enabling deep space exploration, operational autonomy and decision making, data and bandwidth management, and collision avoidance and traffic safety. Orbital data center concept is illustrated in this picture. Space traffic management and collision avoidance, autonomous maneuvering. Low Earth orbit is increasingly crowded with mega constellations and millions of pieces of space debris. AI algorithms instantly ingest telemetry data to predict multi-day collision trajectory and execute smart automated avoidance maneuvers. StarCloud 1 deployment from SpaceX is shown in this picture. Autonomous altitude and position control. Historically, engineers spent months or years manually tuning a satellite's control parameters. AI automates this, making the spacecraft highly adaptable to changing space environment. AI synthesizes complex controllers needed to maintain highly precise relative positions of multiple satellites. Actual Space Orbital Data Center is illustrated in this picture. Real-time reorientation, successful in-orbit demonstration use deep reinforcement learning to allow satellites to autonomously control their altitude. Illustration of Starlink broadband and orbital data center is shown in this picture. Trajectory and resource optimization using fuel efficiency and physics-informed guidance. Some synchronous orbit for solar data center is shown in this picture. Spacecraft Orbit AI state-of-the-art technologies. Spacecraft navigation and control system. Spacecraft Orbit AI technologies refer to the integration of machine learning neural networks and automated decision-making, traditionally keeping a satellite in its proper orbit. Calculating paths and avoiding hazards require constant communication. AI shifts this processing directly to the edge onboard a satellite. Illustration of data centers in space is shown in this picture. Examples of Spacecraft Orbit AI state-of-the-art technologies include edge processing and onboard computer infrastructure, space-based AI data centers in orbit compute, real-time geospatial intelligence and autonomous satellite technologies, AI-driven materials engineering and industry technologies, autonomous constellations technologies, and defense and real-time surveillance technologies. Asian space and space-based planned orbital data center is shown in this picture. Edge processing and onboard computer infrastructure. Due to the constraints of transmitting massive files to Earth, satellite now hosts specialized space-hardened AI processors. Advanced hardware platforms such as NVIDIA Space One Vera Rubin module and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise Space-Bound Computing 2 bring data center class edge computing directly into extreme thermal and radiation environment. Illustration of data center in orbit is shown in this picture. Space-based AI data centers. Terrestrial data centers are experiencing severe power, and space-based data center provides unlimited solar energy and radiative cooling. Space-ready AI platform is shown in this picture. Hypercluster network startups such as StarClass and Orbital are building multi-satellite networks linked by 100 gigabytes per second optical laser. Space-ready AI platform is shown in this picture. Real-time geospatial intelligence and autonomous satellites. Instant disaster response and in-orbit foundation models technology are being developed. Space-based data center is illustrated in this picture. Autonomous tip and queue tasking. Companies such as Loft Orbital are partnering with NASA to deploy AI applications that process imagery on orbit. Orbital architecture of data center is shown in this picture. AI-driven materials engineering and industrial technology. Beyond hosting hardware in orbit, AI models built specifically for space and industrial physics are revolutionizing chemistry and material science. Orbital AI data center in space is shown in this picture. Digital AI on orbit accelerated compute platform, such as NVIDIA AI Core and large-scale inference. Satellites such as the Genesis 1 utilize integrated NVIDIA hardware platform to handle heavy parallel processing workloads in extreme radiation and thermal conditions. Out-to-orbit enterprise operating model shift is shown in this picture. Decentralized communication mesh. Instead of relying on rigid centralized ground station, Orbit AI company uses an interconnected orbital mesh network. Orbital AI illustration is shown in this picture. Web3 and blockchain node infrastructure. Orbit AI combines space computing with decentralized ledger technology to provide secure cryptographic verification. Orbital AI computing test planned by SpaceX is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to Spacecraft Orbit AI state-of-the-art technologies, enablers of automated collision avoidance maneuvers by Dr. Anyeshola Ogundele with the focus point, significance, and importance of Spacecraft Orbit AI technologies and Spacecraft Orbit AI state-of-the-art technologies. Thank you.